This is Bridget trying to get sleep at night. That's me snoring. Damn, Jim should stop snoring. He's killing me. Jim, shut up. Quit snoring. Babe, you're keeping me up. Knock it off. Come on, wake up, Jim. Wake up. Quit snoring. You're killing me. I said get up. Jim, wake up. You're killing me. I can't sleep. He's not going to wake up.
Yes, he is.
Right. Fine. I'll throw him outside. I'm going back to bed. That's Jaden. Dad, quit snoring. What? I'm going to have to take a... Oh my God. I need sleep. Wow. Okay, time for me to go to work. Okay. Leave me alone, Bridget. But, honey, I'm going to kill him.